Finally got my bracelet. I've been seeing this bracelet on Nakia's wrist, the Diaries of Nakia. I'm not sure. You guys should check out. I love her channel. But yeah, Diaries of Nakia. She wears these all the time. Lisa Gozlan. Never heard of Lisa Gozlan until I started watching her channel. She has a lot of different bracelets, but this one here is the Smiley Face collection, the Pave, the Happy Face bracelet. Look, I'm moving too fast. Cute packaging, yes, very cute packaging. It just came in a little FedEx bag. They didn't even, it just came in this little package in the FedEx envelope. So, but this is how it comes. Let's pull it out. Oh, I'll be so glad when I get my nails done. I haven't been able to get my nails done because, yeah, I'm clumsy. I cut my finger like twice. First, I cut this finger, the tip of it off. And then this one I sliced on the can lid. So when you guys open the can lids, please put the lid inside the can before you throw it into the garbage can. But look, check this out. Look at this bracelet. Isn't she cute? Isn't she adorable? It's the Smiley Face collection, the mini Pave. It's called the Pave bracelet. The mini I got in the white, yellow gold. It's yellow gold bracelet. Oops, sorry, took it out. Hope you guys can see it. It's focused. I got it in the yellow gold with the white crystals. Isn't she cute? I got an 8-inch, but looking at it, I think I could have gotten a 7-inch. But isn't she cute? These two bracelets here are permanent bracelets, so I have to check this out and see how I look in the mirror actually. But I love it. I think it's cute. Thanks, Nakia, for showing this on your channel. I think I'm gonna buy another one. I don't know if I want the mini or the original size, which is a little bit bigger than this one. This was very affordable. It was only $108, and I believe the original size is 128. But they come in, you can get the little crystal eyeballs and the smiley face in different colors. So this one I got the white. They have pink, green, black, blue, a light blue, royal blue, a green, and I think brown. I think that's a brown. I'm not sure. But yeah, I think my next one I'm gonna get a 7-inch so it won't be so loose. See how much room I got. I don't know why. I thought it was a clamp. I should have read more. I didn't. I just saw it because Nakia wears about maybe 5 of them on her wrist. So I just saw them, thought they were really cute, and I didn't even read to see if they were a clamp. If you know, the clasps had a little clasp that you can adjust yourself or what. So now I know. I'm gonna keep this one though, because it's cute. It's, it doesn't hurt to have a little room, arm room. But I want the 7-inch so it can fit a little more snug. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but I think I'm gonna get that one in the pink. But yeah, I love it. It's cute. Let me see what it looks like on my other wrist. I really don't wear I wear my Apple Watch on my left wrist. So I don't know. Well, be careful because this little stuff be twisting up. I don't want to break the little band. See, it's stretchy. So if you do wear, you have a bigger wrist like I do, I think the 7, and you should get a 7 because they only have 7 inch and 8 inches, so, or kid size. So I'm not sure what the kid size is. Maybe the kids is a 6 or a 5 or something. I don't know, but I'm going to be getting, I don't know if I want the little one or a big one now, because the little ones look more, I don't know. I have to decide. But tell me how you guys like this, what you purchase, or if you have one, how much you love them. Leave a comment below. These can be a little addictive because I've noticed like the kid got 5, and then when you look at them online, a lot of people have a whole bunch of them on their wrist. But she doesn't only have the Happy Face collection. She has a lot of other styles, the Daisy, or she even has the regular bracelets, chain bracelets, tennis bracelets. She doesn't have it. She also has it where you don't have to have all the diamonds around. It's just the plain gemstone in the eyeballs, the little eyeballs, and the rest of the smiley face is gold, not an open mouth, the closed mouth. She has a lot. You just have to go on her website and check her out. It is Lisa Gozlan. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna go online today because I did notice like the original size of the Happy Face is back in stock, which means to me that it sells out quickly. So I'm just behind the time. So this must be a very, very popular bracelet. And it make a cute gift as well. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing. Please consider to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next unboxing. Thank you.